Dentists, therapists, specialists, any dental care professional, I would like to welcome you to our mini smile makeover course.
Actually exceeded my expectations.
It changed my way of approaching how I am from start to finish.
The interaction between the tutors and myself is like family.
It's a whole different teaching experience and a whole different learning experience.
Something you can just take and use in practice straight away.
Opened up my eyes to what can be done.
I wanted to build my self-confidence, and that's exactly what I've achieved in just 2 days.
Yeah, I found this one of the best courses I've been on in the past 10 years.
It's going to make a massive difference to what I do every day.
There's Renamel, there's the Pesh, all in the same roof. Why wouldn't you come along?
I loved it. It's worth every single penny.
Just fantastic.
Just awesome. It's amazing. It's just perfect.